Greetings everyone. My name is Dr. Meena Lochini, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies. Today, I am going to present a topic called break-even analysis. It is a very fundamental analysis for in business, which is be utilizing for many things in business. So this is the basic tool which we can provide and which we can analyze whether it is a profit or loss. Let's move into the meaning of break-even analysis. As I said, it is a fundamental tool where we can analyze neither profit or loss in our business. Whether it is a new business or an established business, or if you wanted to take up a new project or an existing project, this particular tool is which is very helpful for upgrading our business. So the meaning of break-even analysis is the fundamental financial tool which is used in business actually to determine the point at which the total revenue equals the total cost. Resulting, we can analyze whether it is a profit or loss. It is a point where we can analyze it is neither profit or nor loss. And this analysis helps in business to determine and understand how much they wanted to sell or earn to cover the total cost. And let's we move to the next topic, that is the key component of break-even analysis. The first one is fixed cost. So fixed cost, it is, as the name mentioned, it is a fixed one because the cost that remains constant regardless of the production level. For example, the rent which we are paying for the building, the salary which we are paying for the employees, are all cost as a fixed cost. The second one is variable cost, that is VC. The cost that varies directly with the production level, such as raw materials or direct labors, because the variable cost varies in many perspectives. The third one is sales price per unit, that is selling price, the price at which each and every unit is sold. So this is what as a selling price means. The next point is contribution margin, that is the difference between the selling price and variable cost, that is per unit cost. So this is called as a contribution margin. The below is the formula for analyzing the break even, that is CM is equal to SP minus VC. Okay, let's we move on to the next one. Why the break even analysis is much needed and what is the uses of break even analysis. The first point says that it is one of the tool which we can identify the pricing level. So it is one of the effective method to analyze or fix the price. So that first point is pricing strategy. It helps to set prices for the projects. And the second thing is profit planning. So we can identify some kind of a sales target to achieve, and we can also analyze the specific profit levels on the total cost. The next thing is cost management. As I said earlier, it is one of the fundamental tools in cost accounting. So the cost management is highly impacted. So the highlights the impact of fixed and variable cost on the profitability of the business. The fourth point is investment decisions. As a business, we need to invest a lot more in certain projects. So we can analyze the feasibility of a projects in certain way. So that is how it is used for the business break-even analysis. The next one is, this is the perfect example for break-even analysis. This is one of the graph which is explaining the break-even point, and we will move to the discussion about this graph. The first one is the cost, revenue and the profit, and you can see this angle is called as cost, revenue and profit, and this angle is the total productivity. You can see there is a point where the dotted lines are called as a fixed cost, and this is the variable cost. Okay, and this is called as a fixed cost, and this is the variable cost. So you can straight away look at the graph. So what is the total cost, and this is the planned volume of the sales, where the projects were what we had planned. Actually, this is this much. Okay, that is the planned volume of the sale. For example, if you wanted to develop 1 lakh rupees sales or 10,000 units of sales, so we can fix that price. And you can see whenever there is the point, that is the variable cost or fixed cost, when the cost is margin, this is the point, it is called as a break even point. So this is the point where we can neither profit nor loss. So this is called as a break even analysis. Okay, and this is a revenue scale and this is a profit area. This area is called as a profit area and this area is called as a loss area, and this area is called as a loss area and this area is called as a profit area, where there is a certain point in this particular equilibrium. So this is called as a break even point. I hope you understand this concept very well, because it is a very small topic which is very fundamental for helping business to attain or analyze whether it is a profit or loss, where we are moving out our business. Thank you so much.